They are called Jordan Crafts. We were trying to make a big impact for kids that need it this year for Christmas. We've got a few hundred gifts that we're getting. Oh snap! This is the first time seeing the twin turbo. Woo! Sounds good too. I was about to say, this is my first time seeing the new twin turbo S650. What's up, dude?
I'm here to check out like a mint C6.
Oh, I got one for you, buddy. How are you?
Condition.
How are you? Yes, perfect shape. Let me tell you, man, all it needs is a throwout bearing. Pop the hood, dude. I want to see this thing. That's Poe. That's Austin.
Nice to meet you.
So how's it been?
So far, so good.
Really?
I've been waiting for it to pop, but it's not.
Yeah, that's cool, man. Oh my God, that's so
stock.
funny.
You can't even tell.
So how does it feel so far? Is it pretty?
Right, I say so. I can see that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. Oh yeah, definitely moves.
Yeah.
That's on 5 pounds?
3.5.
3.5 pounds. Are you serious? That is so insane. I am actually impressed. I gotta be honest. So look, whenever this came out, he was trying to get me to put these on the car, and I told him, I was like, nah, without the tune and without blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna do the Whipple in the meantime. If you come out with tuning and bigger turbos, we'll do that later. But man, this is pretty nice, I gotta admit.
So I wanted to get it done. Another creator was like, I'm gonna have the first twin turbo S650.
Yeah.
I immediately messaged Jeff and I was like, I need to get that shit done. Very, very impressive. Here, let you whip her around.
Oh, for real? I know you don't film with a camera normally.
I don't, it's so weird.
This man films every bit of content with an iPhone. That's so foreign to me. This is foreign to him. Damn, this sounds wild. Okay, yeah, definitely not bad at all.
It's got a little pickup.
I can't believe this is on stock tune. That's what blows me away.
So that's why. Everybody's like, oh, it's gonna blow up.
Yeah, that's so controversial right now.
I did a 600-mile road trip.
That is
right
insane.
After 23 miles per gallon. Everything worked out great.
That is really insane, dude. Well, as you guys know, we got the Whipple coming in. Huge shout out Whipple for making that happen, and Lethal and everything. But very soon we are gonna have, hopefully, twin turbo S650 versus the Whipple S650. It'll be really cool to see how it goes, especially once tuning is unlocked. We'll have to rematch it once they're both tuned. Solid, it really is. That is not bad. Damn, I regret it. I should have probably done it. Comment down below if he needs to go post more to YouTube. He's huge on TikTok already and hasn't been posting anything on YouTube. This is going to be the first time that a twin turbo S650 has been on YouTube, and it's not even on your channel. That's like crazy. Please go subscribe to this man. Get him blown up. Oh my God, this is fun. I would get in trouble with this.
Twin turbo GT350 in the garage. I would get in trouble with this 3 pounds of boost.
Hey, but that's the most fun though, is whenever it's just enough to break the street tires loose. You don't need drag radials.
You can put your foot to the floor on this.
Yeah,
on the street.
You can go wide and curves and stuff. Like, it's really fun. Woo! Yeah, that's nice. Okay, that's fun. That is so much fun, dude. That is definitely seriously cool. Thank you so much for letting me drive. You guys, please go subscribe to his channel. Get him to start posting more to YouTube. I'm trying to get some tips on TikTok anyway, so we can learn a lot from each other. Now you got a black Mustang, but let me introduce you to Satan.
It's kind of cool. Mine usually starts up first try, just saying.
It has a little bit more displacement.
Okay.
Mustang, so I wanted to show him my twin turbo Mustang. Look at him doing his thing. This whole thing? Shoot!
That's cute. That's cute. I have leather seats, you don't. I have
That's
a hood, you don't. And I have a bumper, and you don't. So, I mean, who really wins here?
You can come see the S650 if you want. I have leather seats and all on this one, so I mean, nothing special at all. You've been around a ton of these at this point. You've been around way more than I have.
I got you on one thing.
What's that?
You don't have the active exhaust.
Oh, I don't have the active exhaust. You have the active exhaust with the... Really?
Dude, it's a crazy difference.
We have a surprise for folks. Come on. Sweet. Hey, my friend. Happy Christmas / early birthday. They are called Jordan Crafts. And since you were such a crafty fellow, and they match the jacket, I figured you could wear them tomorrow. So you look fancy.
Yes, dude, what? Thank you, dog. What the heck? These are sick.
And you were talking about how you get shoes dirty all the time. I figure you can wear those for good occasions, but still, if anything happened to happen, they're green.
These are the
And
nicest
black.
shoes I've ever owned.
Really?
No cap. The other nicest pair of shoes I've ever owned,
That's-
I'm wearing, and you gave them to me a long time ago.
Try them on.
Bro, for real.
I want to see. It's got that man. Some J's.
Bro, what are these? I don't know anything about shoes.
Those are Jordan 4 Crafts. You've been working a lot lately, man.
Dude, I'm about to be stunting now.
Dude,
yo, what in the world?
Those look really fire. Those definitely look
Dude,
really
I look designer. That's a first. This is sick. A match.
Tomorrow.
Bro, there is no way. There is no way that there are people already here. Okay, well there are a lot more people out here already. Dang. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty large if this is how many people are already here. It doesn't start for another hour and a half.
Yeah, I was about to say we're an hour and a half ahead of time.
We haven't even set up the table. Poe hasn't even gotten here. We are an hour and a half early, and there are so many people. There's probably about 30 cars here already. Last time we didn't have a single car show up at the show until like 20 minutes before it started. Let's start on the doors. All in here.
Spalding.
I got some
bad idea.
I want you to sign this and give it to the first kid that's wearing your merch.
Really? That's cool. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I do what I want on my day to day. You do what you can. Now that ain't the
We
same.
were told that we had to give that to somebody that was wearing the merch, and we chose you guys. So I appreciate y'all so much.
Thank you
This is the
so
second
much.
one y'all came out to as well.
Yeah.
So thank y'all. We haven't had the 6 flip flops in a while.
The duffel bag is actually in my trunk right now.
What is this?
It's for you.
Oh, what? Dude, that's good. You drew this? What? Dude, hey, nice work. The 350 looks really great.
Yeah, that's so cool.
I got a McLaren. Man.
I would say that is definitely a mission accomplished, man. We were trying to make a big impact for kids that need it this year for Christmas. We've got a few hundred gifts that we're getting unloaded here, and honestly, I could not be happier with the turnout.
Santa came early for a lot of kids this year.
For real, dude. For all you guys that came out and brought toys, thank you so much. We're definitely going to be doing this again next year. This was so successful that there's no way we couldn't. It's technically been over for like an hour, and these are all just people hanging out and just chilling, man.
You should have seen the line at Walmart. It was hilarious.
Really?
It was like 2 lines going. It was like, what was the line meeting you? shoot.
For real?
Yeah.
Dude, that's so cool. We told everybody to shoot for bringing a $20 toy. We have counted roughly 300 to 400 toys. That's crazy. That is one awesome turnout, man. Dude, if each kid gets one, like, think about that. That's so crazy. Oh, dude, that is so dope.
Like 2 hours?
I am actually mind blown. What the? I said, sign my arm. I'm gonna get it tattooed. I said, no way. Oh, yes way. I do. Got it, dude. Hell yeah. Nice, bro.